All right, so I'm going to set this one up as a challenge for you. So essentially, I want you to, as much as you can from memory, set up a new EC2 instance, install Parse Server on it, and then connect to it via an app in Xcode. Simple as that. Best of luck. Go for it. Okay, hope you managed it. It's definitely very important that you try these things without following along with the video. That's the best way to get them into your head and get clear what you're really doing and why. So I would start by going to aws.amazon.com, logging in, and then you should see a recent shortcut for EC2. If not, find it under Services. And that will jump to EC2, or the Elastic Computing Cloud. And we're going to launch a new instance. So it's exactly the same process as what we did for the Instagram app. And then we click on AWS Marketplace, search for Parse, and select the Bitnami Parse option. Then we choose the T2 Micro free tier, and then review and launch. And then we click launch. And I would normally recommend a new key pair for each instance. So I'll call this one Tinder key pair. It just means that you don't need to rely on one key pair for all of your instances. That would be for all of your apps. Okay, and then launch instances. As usual, have a cup of tea if necessary while the instance starts up. While that happens, I'm going to jump over to the desktop where I previously downloaded parseproject.zip and open it up. And I'm just going to rename the folder Tinder. If you don't have a previously downloaded copy, just go to iosdevelopercourse.com/course content 10/parse project.zip, and then you can download it from there. But then once we've downloaded it, we can open that up in Xcode, and you remember we have my app ID, my master key, and the only thing we have to put in there is the server URL. So let's go back and have a look. It looks like that's set up now. And there we go. You can see I've got a filter there, so it's only showing the newest one. If I get rid of the filter, then we'll be able to see both instances. Make sure you know which one's which. So this one's still initializing, so I know that's the new one. So here's my public DNS. So I'm going to copy that and paste it here into the configuration server, and then put /parse on the end. And I'm going to optimistically run the app. It might be a little early, but we'll only get an error message if the server's not quite ready. And I can also paste that into there and look for /apps to see if the Parse dashboard is ready to go as well. And there we go. To tell the truth, I did have to run that a couple of times. So do be patient while the server is setting up. But now the object has been saved. And oh, we're not quite there for the Parse dashboard yet. Let's try that again. And there we go. So I'm going to click My App. And you can see we've got a couple of test objects from my tests. So that process you should get fairly familiar with. You're going to need to run it every time you create a new app with Parse. That's as far as we're going to go in this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to optionally change the app name and master password, which appear in App Delegate just there. So we'll go through that process in the next video. I'll stress several times that this is an optional process and you really only need to do it before you release an app on the App Store. So you can miss the next video for now if you want, but if you want to know how to change the application ID and client key, we'll do that in the next video.